Hey everyone, I am here to show you how to host a game for your students to play. Once you have already imported the lesson world that you want your students to join, you will log into Minecraft for Education with your school's credentials. I have already logged in here, and this is the home screen that pops up. Once I am here, I'm going to click play and then view my world. This pulls up all of my recent lessons I have done, including any old lessons that I have taught on previous days. Today we are going to host the coordinates lesson, so I'm going to click on the coordinate lesson, and then I will click host. All right, once the world has generated and loaded up, it will bring you to your spawning location in the world. Once we are here, we are going to click the escape button on your keypad. All right, I have just clicked the escape button, and this image is what pops up. From this screen will be posted the join code. This is the code that you will give your classmates so that they can then join your world. So if you'll notice, the join code here has pictures. Our join code for this lesson is an apple, a pickaxe, a book and quill, and your water bucket. The best way I have found for students to have access to this code is to either A, display it on the interactive board for your classroom where the students will be playing, or B, take a picture of it and post a picture to your blog or other resource that students have access to. Once you have finished hosting your game for the day, you will click on the Stop Hosting button, and a prompt will pop up asking if you are sure that you are done hosting, and you can click the Confirm.